Hello, students. So, today we will start lesson 7 The Last Leaf by O. Henry from your book Moments. So, the story The Last Leaf highlights the importance of hope and sacrifice in one's life. In the story, two friends, Sue and Johnsy, live together. Once Johnsy gets ill, in spite of her friend Sue trying hard to cure her, Johnsy loses all hope and willingness to live. She develops a strange belief that she would die as soon as the last leaf on the ivy creeper outside her window falls. It is then their neighbor Behrman, an artist by profession who brings back hope in Johnsy's life. He paints a realistic leaf on the ivy creeper, and in doing so, he sacrifices his own life. Now let us proceed with the chapter. It is autumn. The wind is blowing hard and it is raining heavily. Autumn season है, पतझड़ का season है. Hard wind is blowing and it is raining heavily, and all the leaves on an ivy creeper. What is the meaning of creeper? A climber plant. All the leaves on an ivy creeper have fallen except one. Why doesn't the last leaf fall? Let us read and find out in this story. Sue and Johnsy, two young artists, shared a small flat. So, Sue and Johnsy, the two friends who were young artists, they lived in the same flat. The flat was on the third story of an old house. Johnsy fell seriously ill in November. She had pneumonia. Pneumonia is infection of lungs. She would lie on her bed without moving. So November months में Johnsy she fell seriously ill, and she would lie on her bed without moving, just gazing out of the window. Sue, her friend, became very worried. तो जब वो सारा दिन बेड पे बैठी बाहर देखती रहती थी, तो उसकी फ्रेंड जो सू थी, शी बिकेम वेरी वरीड. शी सेंट फॉर द डॉक्टर. तो सू को चिंता होने लगी एंड शी कॉल्ड फॉर द डॉक्टर. ऑल्दो ही केम एवरी डे, देयर वॉज नो चेंज इन जॉन्सीज कंडीशन. तो डॉक्टर डेली आता था, पर जॉन्सी की कंडीशन में कोई इम्प्रूवमेंट नहीं हो रही थी. One day the doctor took Sue inside and asked her, "Is anything worrying Johnsy?" तो एक दिन डॉक्टर सू से पूछता है उसकी फ्रेंड के बारे में कि उसको कोई चिंता तो नहीं है. No, replied Sue. But why do you ask? The doctor said. Johnsy, it seems, has made up her mind that she is not going to get well. तो डॉक्टर सू को बताता है कि लगता है जॉन्सी ने अपना माइंड में ये बात फिक्स कर ली है कि शी इज़ नॉट गोइंग टू गेट वेल, एंड इफ़ शी डज नॉट वांट टू लिव, मेडिसिन्स विल नॉट हेल्प हर. अगर उसमें इच्छा ही नहीं है जीने की, तो मेडिसिन्स उसकी कोई हेल्प नहीं कर पाएंगी. So Sue tried her best to make Johnsy take an interest in things around her. So as a friend, Sue was really worried about her friend, and she made all efforts to make her well, and she must take an interest in the things around her. She talked about clothes and fashions, but Johnsy did not respond. Johnsy continued to lie still on bed. Johnsy would lie on the bed without any movement, and Sue brought her drawing board into Johnsy's room and started painting. तो वो अपनी तरफ से हर एफर्ट कर रही थी कि जॉन्सी को अच्छा फील हो. ओके, तो उसने अपने उसके रूम में ड्राइंग बोर्ड लेके आती है एंड शी स्टार्टेड डूइंग पेंटिंग. टू टेक जॉन्सीज माइंड ऑफ हर इलनेस, शी विसल्ड वाइल वर्किंग. और काम करते समय वो विस्लिंग करती थी ताकि जॉन्सी का माइंड अपनी बीमारी से हटे. ओके. सडनली सू हर्ड जॉन्सी विस्पर समथिंग. तो सडनली सू क्या सुनती है कि जॉन्सी कुछ धीरे धीरे कुछ बोल रही है, विस्पर कर रही है. शी क्विकली रश टू द बेड एंड हर्ड जॉन्सी कंटिन्यूइंग बैकवर्ड्स. तो वो भाग के उसके बेड के पास जाती है, तो सुनती है कि जॉन्सी बैक काउंटिंग कर रही थी. शी वॉज लुकिंग आउट ऑफ द विंडो एंड वॉज सेइंग 12. आफ्टर सम टाइम शी विस 11, then 10, then 9, 8, 7. Okay, she was whispering these words.
Sue anxiously looked out of the window. So Sue, out of excitement, she looked out of the window. Okay, what she was looking outside the window, and then doing back counting. She saw an old ivy creeper climbing halfway up the brick wall opposite their window. So what did she see there? So there was an old ivy creeper on the opposite brick wall that could be seen through their window. In the strong wind outside, the creeper was shedding its leaves. As the strong wind was blowing outside, so the creeper was casting off, shedding its leaves.